How to turn off promotional emails on Depop.com. Hi everybody, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today we are going to learn how you can easily turn off the promotional emails if you're frustrated from getting too many promotional emails from Depop. So here's how you can easily turn them off. First of all, launch open any web browser of your choice and type in Depop.com in the URL box and search. Once you end up in the official website for Depop, make sure that you're logged into your account as well. Once you're in, go to the upper right corner and tap on your profile icon and click on the settings button. Inside the settings menu, click on Preferences and now click Email. Under Email Notifications, toggle off the button right next to all promotional emails to turn off the promotional emails from the Depop platform. And now your inbox is clean and peaceful. That way you can turn off any promotional emails from Depop. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.